December 6th. Just to let you know that this is little Holly. We got her on December 6th. So little Hollyberry might introduce us to the tea today from my advent calendar.
What tea is it, Hollyberry?
I'm going to say it. 3 ginger tea. It's a 3 ginger tea. See if you can see that there. 3 ginger tea. And it's got 3 different things, such as a warming swirl of ginger, galangal, or whatever it is, and golden turmeric. And as you can tell, bless her, she'll tell you, it's a bit yellow looking. She's like, I want to try some of that. Let's give it a try. Not too bad. Not heavy ginger. And there we go.